Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Yeah my people, before we go look into the matter we will get for hand today, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel or turn your notification bell, I beg may try do am right now so that you no go forget. They say one Biafra courage man don't stand up. Ask Asare Dokubo, you are you are protecting oil pipelines in your cities or in your village as you claim, or in Niger Delta. The oil wells in those areas, who owned it? Ibom never owned anyone, but all owned by Hausa people. And the pipeline you are protecting a pipeline that transfer oil to Hausa land. They will not return change, give you gun, you mobilize boys to protect, because your graveness, your wickedness towards the Igbos. And today you have become a gate man, a gatekeeper, protecting another person in your own land and something that belongs to you. Let me tell Facebook, YouTube, all these platforms that clamping, anytime you speak truth about things that happen, they are looking for one thing or the other to bring it down. If people should close the social media, then we know that we can use it to spread message across. However, let's proceed. Asare Dokubo, the oil where you are protecting today belong to you, to your people, but the northerners is making use of it, and they give you gun to protect it. Then now, who imumukan too much? Let's play this video for you to watch. A minute.
Instead of Niger Delta people to come together and ask themselves a question, as a matter of fact, 87% of the oil well in Niger Delta belong to the north. Precious, it belongs to the north. Northerners are the owners of this oil well in the Niger Delta. That was what I told Asari when he was making us about Igbos, as if Igbos are his problem. There are things Tinubu cannot do. I'm telling you, there are people he cannot even talk to. He can't even mention their name. Say he want to probe corrupt. He cannot try it. It's like a signed document. That's what I'm looking at here. It's like you're signed that you will not do this, you will not do it. That's okay. Go and say Nasorok. The news done the trend. In fact, I was expecting that by now somebody would have spoken about this thing. Unfortunately, nobody is saying anything from Nasorok.
So it can't be like say we just they cover the wetin happen to certificate. We know they talk about things when they happen. Go. This our money they go down.
Yes. The thing is that before now we have always known. Remember when the borders were closed or supposed to be closed? It was also two northerners, this Boa and Dangote, that were allowed to
they bringing in,
taking out and bringing in their goods. They were the only two companies. Over the years, my dear, this entitlement mentality from the north is so annoying. This oil that you are talking about, no be Niger Delta get am. Why is it that in everything where they do, nobody they even reckon with Niger Delta? They only give them crumbs from the table, and they will be scrambling for it. Mention one Niger Delta person who is doing big oil business.
Tompolo, where they give pipeline surveillance
to do security for pipeline. So that one na job, abi. To do security for pipeline, you go dey watch pipeline while the oil go dey pass through to the wherever it's going to, abi. That one na business. That is why I'm laughing at both Asari and Tompolo. Instead of them to talk about their region, look at what is going on. Look at how many billions of dollars we are talking about. And this oil is coming from Niger Delta. Instead of Niger Delta people to come together and ask themselves a question, as a matter of fact, 87% of the oil well in Niger Delta belong to the north. Precious, it belong to the north. Northerners are the owners of this oil well in the Niger Delta. That was what I told Asari when he was making us about Igbos, as if Igbos are his problem. Look at what is going on. You are taking the resources from my land to go and feather your nest in your own place. And you say we are one Nigeria.
Welcome back, my people. As you don't hear am, wetin this man talk. Truth, you know say truth, they inch for inside ear. And you know they let us grab am immediately. Now lies would they like to carry. As I talk about this message, please, if you can share this message to any page, you know that this page was owned by Asare Dokubo. You need to hear this and you need to also get sense from here, because in mumu done too much. Their mumu they come too much, because as they come they protect wetin belong to them for another person we give them gun. That one no be mumu be that. What if you own them, own all of them, use it to develop your communities, build the area, turn into London? What will happen? Because you choose to hate your brothers over your enemies, no matter what. Let's proceed. No be waiting carry us come here. Let's go and look for this detail. They say Biafran rebel fighter reportedly bomb oil pipe in Akwa Ibom. Militant group Dragon Fighter Mârińe have blow oil pipe in Uyinga Mabo local government area of Akwa Ibom state. Destroy the pipe. The area in near the Bakassin Peninsula. The militant group is believing to have a base in Mambo local government. Eyes witness accounted that the explosion was heard in the area at around 3 p.m. Dragon Fighter Mârińe is reportedly another deadly militant group different from the Black Mârińe. They are believed to be an armed wing of the Biafran Nation League (B0mb). The group are said to be all working with Finland-based separatist Simon Akwa. My people, things they happen. This one, this one they say they happen today. Oh, no be small thing. Things don't happen for inside that country where they call Nigeria. Now the ones where we know, and now they talk come aside. Many ones where they go on, we be say we don't know how they happen. No be small thing. Stay tuned as they bring you more update of waiting they go on. Yeah, my people, let's take a look of what we area lead here concerning Asare Dokubo. That you can see how that man is calling them out. He asked them a simple question. You know, the problem we have in this country is that common sense don't work for us. You see, common sense, it don't work for us. In anything you are doing, first start with common sense. Then, if that is getting more tougher, then you try to apply more wisdom inside it. But the common sense don't work. You own a land. Somebody come to your land and dig a ground, find your treasure, taking it away is not enough. He put pipe to his own place. And after doing all those things, he will now give you some amount of money and ask you to mobilize boys, give them 50,000 a month, and you take 1 million a month. Relax, nothing is happening. We'll be taking care of you. And along the ride is extorting your resources, and you are over there watching over your own treasure for another man in your own land. Then he will not tell you that those your brothers, no mind them, kill them, go fight them, quarrel them, they are nothing, and you are happy. You leave the struggle for the future of your children, and you focus on working for another man for your own treasure. Is it not stupid? Now nobody talk and say your mumu done too much. This one, nah, your own mumu, you done too much. And this one, now what would they call Ibom reason. Ibom reason. So I remember that what they call Ibom reason. Our governor will be Rochas Okorocha before ex-governor. So Ibom reason is too much. Common sense not the work for us. Just like in Enugu, where they are mining coal and they are stealing the coal, using it to generate electricity in China, and China have steady light while Enugu is in darkness. Common sense of our people, you know, they work. Ndị Igbo, there's Igbo adage that say ndị ajụrụ ajụ ada ajụ onwe ha. Look at Israel. They just have one attack. They attack them, but only 2 respond from Israel. Gaza is almost turning to a desert. If the world did not tell Israel to stop, Israel, please stop, Israel will level that ground. That is when your enemy push you hard, you team with your brothers and create something great, not to still fight your brothers. Okay, fish out those one you think they are not doing fine. Nnamdi is not doing fine. Okay, come out with your own idea and your own knowledge so that your people will see it and follow you and fight and regain the total freedom of your own people. You will not than to cause them. My people, share this video, you get why. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.